The District Election Officer, East Khasi Hills District, yesterday organized the Systematic Voter Education and Electoral Participation Program at the National Institute of Technology NIT, Meghalaya. Eddie Ripnar, a member of the Meghalaya Model United Nations, shared about the apps that the Election Commission of India had recently launched. The Know Your Candidate KYC app that helps people to gather information about any candidate in their constituency. He also said that through the C-Vigil app, one can report to the Chief Electoral Officer and they will immediately take action from the information gathered through the app, and the person's name will be kept anonymous.
And one app is C-Vigil app. So we have heard like there are things going on like frauds, like distribution of money during elections. I think we all have heard about that. So what the government have done, what the Election Commission have come up is an app that you can report directly to the office of the Chief Electoral Officer, and they will take immediate action.